In this video, I will explain how to create a multi-level color palette that will make it easier for you to choose colors. First, create a color sample like the following. Set blend options. Next step, first line selection, object, blend, make. You can also use shortcuts to speed up your work. Selection, then press Ctrl, Alt, B. Do the same on the other line. After everything is finished, you can group objects. Then place it beside the artboard. To use this color, can use the eyedrop tool. Or use shortcuts. Finished. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.